In this video, we're going to be adding images to our post. As I'm sure you'll agree, right now our post looks a little bit black and white, and the whole website in fact looks a little bit black and white. But don't worry about it, because we're going to be adding images to this post, and that will make our website appear a lot more colorful, and it'll just have that awesome injection of color and excitement into our website. So for the purposes of adding the images, we're going to be using a couple of different websites. There is a really good website called Pixabay, which contains millions and millions of high quality images that are royalty free, so you can use them on your website. There is also another website that's really good that's called Pexels, and it also contains some of the images on them are the same and some of them are different. So typically what I would do is I would add 2 to 3 images into each post to just break up the text a little bit and make the post more exciting. So you can start out by entering something like numerology into the search bar and seeing what information comes up. If you don't like any of these images, you can always expand your search to other items. So let's see if the images are actually the same or not. So you can see, by the way, if you're seeing these sponsored photos by Adobe Stock, you can't get them because unless you buy subscription to Adobe Stock. But here we actually have 4 free images that you can just download and use from Pixabay. Okay, so at the top here you also have sponsored images by Shutterstock, but that just will link to the Shutterstock website, which sells fairly expensive subscriptions. So if numerology doesn't work, or whatever keyword you use does not work straight away, then try to think of other alternative things that might suit your post. So here, for example, I've entered a couple of terms. One is happiness, and I've seen some photos that I'm planning to use with happiness. So perhaps we've got a section about the love life, so I'm probably going to grab an image that depicts that, perhaps this one here, and some other positive, nice images for the post. So I'm going to download them and then I will resume this video. Okay, so I've got these images now open in separate tabs. I'm going to use these images in my post, and it's very simple. All you need to do is just click this free download and then choose the appropriate size. I would probably go with 1280 by 718 because that roughly fits with the width of your post. So if we measure, this post is actually 800 pixels in width, so 640 wouldn't be quite enough, but 1280 will work just fine. So just click download and save that somewhere on your computer. All right, so now let's insert those images. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I will insert a featured image. So that'll be the main image that will represent our post all across our website. So click this set featured image and then go into upload files and select the files. So here we have the 3 images that I have downloaded. So I'm going to select all of them and select open on all of them so that I can actually upload all of them at once. And now I just need to choose which one I want to use as the featured image. So perhaps I want to use this one with the flowers. And for alt text, it's a good idea to always use your key phrase. So I will enter 707 angel number as the alt text. So alternative text is, it's, for example, if for whatever reason the image does not load, this describes the image to the browser, and best practice search engine optimization tactics say that it's always a good idea to put in some variations of your keywords as various alt text entries into your images. So I'm going to enter the main one here, 707 angel number, and I'm going to set that as a featured image. Okay, and now I'm going to update and I will show you what will now happen. So if we go back to our home page of our website, then now all of a sudden, look, our website has some color. So that featured image has now been added to the very top as the main image that will represent our this particular blog post all across our website. So let's now add a couple of other images. So we already will have this image by default here at the top, so that's great. But let's also add, so here we've got 707 angel number and love, what it means. So we'll press enter right after that, and I will add an image with that couple. So I'm going to add media, and then I will choose this, and for alt text I will just give a different variation. So what does number 707 mean? Like this. And for size I'm going to use full size. Okay, and then let's insert it into post. So now just like that we've got one more image added, and let's just find a place to insert one more. So perhaps for twin flames I will insert another image somewhere after here. So just go add media, and I'll add this last one in here. So okay, so various meanings of number 707. And then, by the way, I'm just coming up with these randomly. You can also use the LSI keyword, so 707 angel number, and then you can use these LSI keywords from here, from the bottom, if you would like to as well, or some variations of them. So you don't need to use all the time just 707 angel number on every image. Okay, so we're gonna add that in. All right, and we've now got 3 cool images in our post. So let's just refresh this now. Okay, so we can see that on our home page we've got that, which is really good. And now if somebody opens our post, they will actually see some text as well as these 3 images. So this is now starting to look a lot nicer. And that's what I wanted to show you in this video. In the next video, we're going to be finalizing the post and optimizing it for search engine optimization using a very cool plugin. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.